Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romani and today I want to talk about my 17-month lock journey. So if you're locked or you're thinking about getting locked, then stay tuned. So in this video, I don't really have any new things to say, but I am going to be addressing some of the topics that I talked about in my 16-month lock journey. So if you haven't seen that, it's going to be linked below. Watch that one before you watch this one, just so you can understand what I'm talking about. But just to sum it up, in my 16-month lock journey video, I was talking about some of the concerns that I was having in my lock journey. Okay, so we're gonna start off with retwisting, y'all. I finally have mastered the retwist. I know it may not seem like it because I done did a few things to my hair since I've last retwisted it, but I finally mastered the retwist without doing the rope twist. Y'all know that I was nervous that my retwist wasn't gonna stay, so I was doing twist instead of just like palm rolling and letting my hair be free. Everything was twisted, you were twisted just like this so that it could hold here. But I have finally mastered retwisting without doing any of that. My retwist video that I recently did is going to be linked below, but I literally retwisted with clips, water, and oil, no style, and it stayed. And everything that I used for that retwist is going to be linked below as well because it's on my Amazon storefront. But it really just feels good to not retwist and have to do a style because I really just wanted my hair to be free. I felt like I was restricting my hair every time that I retwisted because every time that I would retwist, I would do rope twist, and it's not bad for your hair, but I just felt like my hair being, my hair being twisted like this all the time, it just wasn't giving my locks a chance to flourish. I just really wanted the ends of my locks to just be free, so I'm very happy that I know how to retwist without doing the style. And I probably will not be styling my hair for a while because right now I'm just in a space where I want my locks to mature. I don't want to do anything to them. The most that I'll do is a ponytail or something like that, but as far as like styling, I'm really just trying to relax. No rope twist, no fancy styles, like literally just my locks, and I just want them to bud and mature and just grow how they're supposed to grow. Now I want to talk about dyeing my hair. I know I told y'all I was done dyeing my hair, and I think I really am, but I went to Houston a few weeks ago and I met this girl and she had bright red locks, and now bright red locks have me in a chokehold. It's like, do I need to dye my hair red just to experience it a little bit? I don't know. Like, I know that dyeing your hair is manipulating your hair, but I'm starting to wonder if I care. That rhymed. But I'm honestly just starting to wonder if I even care. Like, do I just want to dye my hair and just do me, or do I want super healthy locks? Of course, I feel like I'm just talking. I'm definitely leaning towards super healthy locks, not doing any type of color, but I don't know. Because like, do I want super healthy hair or do I want color hair? And I say super healthy because some people with color still claim that their hair is healthy, which is, I mean, it's up to you how you feel about your hair. But a lot of people still feel like color is healthy, but color is chemical. So I say super healthy because like it's going to be healthy hair without the chemical. I hope that y'all are like understanding what I'm saying. Next, I want to talk about thinning locks. Y'all know that I was nervous that some of my locks were thinning, and so I started immediately combining some of my locks. But then one of my subscribers made a very amazing point that I can't believe I didn't think about before. She was like, Romani, your hair is not thinning, it's the top of your lock, which is new, so no hair has wrapped around, like your lock hasn't matured, so that's why it's small. But in my head, I was just feeling like they were too small. But after she said that, I'm like, wow, maybe I'm just jumping to conclusions because I literally just retwisted my hair. Why would I expect it to be super big, like the ends of my hair? It just doesn't make sense. And obviously I just was not thinking. So shout out to my subscribers for helping me out on this journey because it's like, how did I not think about that? And then the last thing that I want to talk about from the previous video is edges. I told you guys I was done doing my edges. I lied. I've been on 2 vacations in the past 2 weeks and I've done my edges each time, and I loved it. I've been using Eco Styler and Style Factor Edge Boost, and that's gonna be on my Amazon storefront as well. It's all linked below, but I've been using that, and I just wash my edges at the end of the night, but I'm happy with doing my edges. I'm gonna keep doing my edges. Now, I will say that I only do the front. I think that I was having issues because I was trying to do the sides, and I feel like my sides get crunchy when I do my sides, but since I keep my hair down, I literally just do a few swoops in the front, and I've been happy about it. So I'm gonna keep doing it. But aside from that, just being, is today the 22nd? It's literally, no, today's the 23rd. Okay, so yesterday was literally my 17 month. Wow, it just hit me. Nonetheless, I am enjoying being 17 months locked. I feel like, even though I told y'all I'm not styling my hair, I am trying out different styles, and I know that that sounds crazy because I said I'm not styling my hair. When I say I'm not styling my hair, I mean like retwist styles, but I am doing like half up, half downs, and I'll put a picture right here so that y'all can see it. But like when I went to Houston, I did a half up, half down with like a little bang right there. I've never done that just because I didn't feel comfortable. I just didn't feel like it would look right on me with my locks. I don't know, like sometimes I'm just in my head about certain styles, so that's kind of why I keep my hair down, just because that's my comfort zone. But I really am pushing myself out of my comfort zone, and I'm trying new things with my hair, and I feel like it is a little bit easier for me since my hair is getting some length to it. But I feel good about these new styles that I'm doing. I'm not doing too much, but the fact that I'm even trying new things is making me feel good about it. Overall, I'm just letting my hair be. I feel like in my 16-month video, I had so many concerns. Like, I'm concerned about this, I'm concerned about that. And right now, even though that was only a month ago, I feel like I'm in such a different space. Like, I'm just letting things be. I don't have any concerns because I don't care. And I don't say that in a bad way, but I just don't care. I'm just letting my hair do what it does, and I'm living my life. I'm just letting it grow and mature on its own. I don't feel like my locks are thinning anymore. I am not afraid to do my edges. I'm not afraid to retwist my hair and not style it. Like, I literally just don't care anymore. I just want to have my locks and live and just be free. And I think that's because of the journey that I'm on right now. I'm on a journey of shifting my mindset. So just thinking of all the possibilities of greatness and really relaxing and really being in alignment. I feel like the word for this season of my life has been alignment. I just want to do whatever I am meant to do, and I feel like because I'm in that space, that's translating with my hair journey. I wanted to do whatever it's going to do. I don't care. I don't have any concerns. So shout out to the shadow work, because I feel like I was so concerned last month. Like, I was like, I need to fix this and this. I don't care anymore. And that just goes to show how crazy the human experience can be, because you can literally just be in different spaces so close in time, but like you continue to change. I feel like this is getting so deep, and it wasn't even supposed to be that, but that's how my 17-month journey has been going. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you haven't seen the 16-month, go watch it. If you haven't subscribed, why haven't you subscribed? Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. All of that stuff is going to be linked below, and like I said, my Amazon storefront is linked below. So if you want some items for your locks or anything else, I have a few categories on there, from like home, bathroom, all of that. Bathroom is definitely in the home, travel, fashion. I have a lot of stuff on my Amazon storefront, so go check it out. I hope you guys have a great day, a great rest of your week, and I will see you guys next week.